Parnell, the posture genius, and I've dedicated my life to making sure that not only do you have great posture that comes easy and effortless for you, but also that you have freedom from pain and vitality you can actually see. Great posture is when your body is flexible and strong enough so that your body just goes right into alignment, boom, just like that, without even thinking about it. Great posture fights the cause of pain by putting your body into its natural alignment. It makes you beautiful, it makes you confident, and it makes it effortless for you to go into this authentically. I've created a technique called reposturing. It's a sequence of exercises and stretches balanced with some hands-on therapy that leaves your body effortlessly upright and pulls your body into alignment without even thinking about it. If you like this content, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel so that I can create content for you to make your life pain-free and effortless. And remember, you're going to do it anyway. You might as well do it with great posture.